Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the Apple ID and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, check iCloud storage in settings. If space is tight, upgrade or free space so uploads won't stall. Now open Settings, tap Photos, and flip on iCloud Photos. Make sure you choose Optimize iPhone Storage if you want device space savings. Otherwise, select Download and keep originals. This first step starts the automatic syncing process, so new pictures queue for upload immediately. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, you need to monitor the transfer so everything completes cleanly. Keep your device charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Large libraries and videos can take hours. Open the Photos app and scroll to the bottom to check upload status. Look for a progress bar or the phrase uploading. If you see stalled items, remove duplicates or very large videos temporarily, then reinitiate. Also make sure low power mode is off because it can pause background uploads. This keeps momentum going until the library is fully synced. You finish by verifying the backup and setting safeguards so it stays current. Visit iCloud.com or another Apple device signed into the same Apple ID to confirm your photos and albums appear. This proves the sync completed. Make sure automatic updates remain enabled and periodically review your iCloud storage to prevent future interruptions. If something goes wrong, restart your device, sign out and back into Apple ID, and retry. Often that clears stuck uploads. If space is the issue, free or buy more storage and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.